Empowering your sales team with Power BI Analytics. We will explore how leveraging data visualization, business intelligence, and interactive dashboards through Power BI can empower your sales team to make data-driven decisions. Benefits of empowering your sales team with Power BI Analytics. Data analysis. By harnessing the power of Power BI Analytics, your sales team can analyze sales data in real time, identify trends, and uncover opportunities for growth. Performance tracking. Power BI allows you to track key sales metrics and performance indicators in one centralized dashboard. This provides visibility into individual and team performance. Interactive reports. Power BI enables interactive reporting, allowing users to drill down into data to uncover more detailed insights. How Power BI can empower your sales team? Improve sales. Through data-driven decision-making, your sales team can target the right customers, engage with them more effectively, and close more deals. Enhance sales productivity. Power BI streamlines the sales process by providing quick access to relevant data and insights. This saves time for your sales team. Optimize sales strategies. By analyzing sales data and monitoring performance metrics, your sales team can identify what works and what doesn't. Conclusion. In conclusion, empowering your sales team with Power BI Analytics is a strategic investment that can drive significant value for your business.